vehicle, just hold on.
I got it. I'm blocking.
Oh, blocking it in.
Turn off the vehicle! What are you doing? Stop, stay in the vehicle, turn off the vehicle and hand me the keys.
It's off, it's off.
Hand me the keys.
It's in my bag.
Where are you coming from?
From my friend's house.
From your friend's house? Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you?
It's temporary.
Okay.
I'm sorry, can you say?
Yeah, we can.
That's our birth certificate. And then hold that with me, please.
Call Santa Fe 872 William Young Hall. 872 William Young Hall, right next to the
I'm sorry, that's my friend calling me. That's my registration. And that's my insurance.
Okay. Still can't find your driver's license?
No, I promise I have it. I just got a new one, I swear to God. I just got a new one, I swear to God. It's brand new, like literally like new license, like.
Do you want to take this?
Still rolling, huh?
Yeah.
No, I have a new one, I promise.
Like back there. Just still just kind of moving on this. You gotta stop here because there's no real way to go.
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Where are you coming from, man?
I literally just got my new license.
Okay, where are you coming from?
Literally downtown.
Downtown? Where from downtown?
I went to go eat at Pascual's
Okay. How long ago was that?
like 2 hours ago.
2 hours ago? Okay. And where are you heading to?
To home.
To home? Where's to home?
Pablo Garcia Road.
Where's Pablo Garcia?
Yeah, like right up here, literally.
Oh, okay.
And I promise I just got my new ID. I don't know where it is. I swear to God, I just got it.
So you went to go eat about 2 hours ago. What'd you have when you were there?
Steak.
What'd you have to drink?
That's it. Steak.
What'd you have to drink though?
Soda water. That's it.
That's it? You didn't have anything else to drink? You didn't have any alcohol?
No, that's it.
Okay. What exit did you take?
I'm not sure.
Have you lived in Santa Fe your whole life?
My whole life, yeah.
So you're very familiar with it?
Very. I'm
Okay.
like right near my house.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I can't find my ID. I promise. I just got it. I just got it. Like literally, I just changed my ID.
And you're very familiar with the interstate? Okay. Do you feel like you're on the correct lane of travel? On the...
I'm not sure. I just moved to 19 Pablo Garcia. I moved from Jaguar recently. Like I moved to my grandma's house, so she lives on 19 Pablo Garcia. I'm just trying to learn.
You're trying to learn what?
Like where it is.
Okay. And when did you say that you moved to this new address?
Like maybe a month ago. Not even then. Very
Okay.
soon.
Okay. But you lived in Santa Fe your whole life?
My whole life,
And
yeah.
you've driven on this interstate before? Okay. And you haven't had anything to drink? Okay. Would you be willing to do some standardized field sobriety tests just so I can make sure you're able to safely drive? Because I'll be honest, you're driving on the opposite lane of travel. The interstate that you should be driving on is on the other side. You understand that?
Yeah.
You don't remember what exit you took?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I promise I'm fine. I'm just trying to get home, really. I'm just trying to get home.
Okay, let me have you step out.
On December 13th, 2023, a law enforcement officer in Santa Fe, New Mexico, initiated a traffic stop after observing a vehicle traveling in the wrong direction on an interstate highway, a clear violation of NMSA 1978 Section 66-7-317. Under Terry v. Ohio 392, U.S. 1 officers need only reasonable articulable suspicion to initiate a stop. Wrong-way driving on a controlled access highway exceeds that threshold. It constitutes probable cause in its own right. Once the stop was lawfully initiated, Pennsylvania v. Mimms 434 U.S. 106 established that officers may order the driver out of the vehicle as a matter of course, no additional justification required. The subject was unable to produce a valid driver's license. She provided inconsistent accounts of her origin and route, claiming lifelong familiarity with Santa Fe, while being unable to identify the exit she used moments earlier. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 420, roadside questioning pre-arrest is non-custodial. Miranda does not apply. These statements are admissible.
Why are your pants unbuckled?
Because my belly button, it's like the button.
Are you able to button them?
I am, but like.
Okay, can you
belly
do that
button-
for me?
Yeah, I can. Sorry. The belly button on my belly button hurts. Because the piercing, I'm sorry. I'm fine.
Okay.
The belly button on top of my piercing.
See my light?
hurts a lot. Yeah, I do.
Follow it.
Moves forward.
To the right. Over here. We're going to go on this side. The right side. I don't want you going into traffic. And
I'm
then
fine,
walk
I'm
behind
sorry.
this car.
It's the belly button hurt my butt.
That's fine. Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Is there a reason why you're
No, I'm fine.
not able
I'm
to balance?
Fine. I'm fine.
Okay, let's walk to this car over there with the lights on. Okay, do me a favor, stand right here. Stand right here where my light is. Where my light is, stand right there. Just stay right there, okay? Let me have you stand right here. Turn around and face me. Alright, do you have any medical conditions? Do you have any head injuries? No, do you have any injuries that would inhibit you from walking, standing, turning, or balancing?
Just asthma.
Just asthma? But that doesn't affect your walking? Does it affect your balancing?
Kinda, cause like the cold is a lot.
Okay.
Or even just now, it's a lot.
Alright, do me a favor, put your feet together. Arms down to your side. Okay, look forward. Without moving your head, you see the finger that I have raised? Look at the tip of my finger with your eyes only, okay? I want you to follow it without moving your head. You understand? Follow the tip of my finger. But don't move your head, okay? Look at the tip of my finger.
I'm sorry, it's so cold.
Okay, do you need to button up your jacket? You okay? Okay, I need you to put your arms on your side though. I know, I don't even have a jacket. Okay, so I understand. Okay? You see this line that's in front of you? Yes? Alright. You see how your left foot is on that line? I want you to place your right foot in front of your left foot.
It's so cold, I don't know if I can. Like, straight, I don't know if I can. It's so cold.
I'm gonna demonstrate
Like,
it.
even you know it's so cold, like.
Okay, place your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Now place your arms onto your side.
It's so cold.
Well, try the best that you can, okay? I don't even have a jacket.
It's so cold, like.
All I'm asking is right foot in front of left foot, touching heel to toe. Arms onto your side. What are you doing? Where are you going?
Straight, like you said.
I have not asked you to walk. All I've done is ask you to stand with your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. So let's start over again, okay? On that line, I want you to put your left foot on that line for me. All right, now place your right foot in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Arms down to your side. Stay in this position. I'm going to give you a set of instructions, and then I'm going to demonstrate the test to you. Do you understand? So don't start until I tell you to begin. You understand that? When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps forward on that line. Your 9th step, you're going to leave that lead foot planted. You're going to take a short series of steps, turn yourself back around, and walk 9 heel to toe steps back. I'm going to demonstrate it. So you watching me?
You're so cold.
Are you able to watch me? Because I'm going to demonstrate the test.
I am. It's so cold.
So do you want to do these tests?
Asthma.
You have asthma?
Yes, I do.
Oh, and the asthma doesn't let you
So it's a little-
balance or walk?
No, it is, but like.
All right, just stay in that position, okay? I've given you the instructions, now I'm gonna demonstrate it, okay? When I tell you to start, remember, 9 heel to toe steps forward. 1, 2, nope, don't start yet. Go back. There you go. 3. On your 9th step, you're gonna leave that lead foot planted. Other foot. Take a short series of steps like this, look.
Hold on, it's kind of cold.
You okay? You ready to continue? All right, let's get back on that line. Put your left foot on that line. Now put your right foot in front of your left foot. Now put your arms down to your side. Nope, don't start walking yet. Do you remember my instructions? Okay.
I didn't pay attention. I'm sorry.
You didn't pay
Couldn't
attention?
breathe. No, I couldn't breathe. It's really cold out here.
Okay.
And I have asthma.
Okay, well, I want to make sure you understand. Okay, so I'm going to go through these tests. You let me know when you're ready, okay? You ready? All right, left foot on that line. Right foot in front of left foot, touching heel to toe. Nope, that's your, there you go. Touching heel to toe. Arms down to your side. Is that difficult for you? No? All right, stay in that position, okay? All right, when I tell you to begin, you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps forward, look. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. 9th step, that foot stays planted. Other foot, watch how I take my steps, okay? You're gonna take a short series of steps like this, turn yourself back around and walk 9 heel to toe steps back. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Okay, while doing so, I need you to look down at your feet. I want you to count each step out loud so I can hear you that you're counting. Arms down to your side. Once you've started this test, I don't want you to stop until you've completed it just how I've instructed. Do you understand? Do you understand? You don't understand?
No,
What part don't you understand?
I understand. I just feel like my parents should be here.
Your parents should be here?
can't breathe,
How old
yeah.
are you?
I'm 20, but it's cold.
Okay, you're an
I
adult.
haven't-
You're an adult. Okay?
But I have. No, I can't. Not without a parent. I can't.
Okay. Do you want to continue this test? Hold on, before you start, do you understand the instructions that I gave you?
I do.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Do you need me to demonstrate again?
No.
Okay, go ahead and begin.
Chill.
Huh? Arms on your side. Look down at your feet.
And you said turn right?
You said you understood my instructions. You done? You can turn around. Face me. Oh, you okay? All right, let me have you stand right here. Alright, put your feet together. Face me and look at me though. Okay? Feet together, arms on your side. Don't move from this position. I'm going to give you a set of instructions and I'm going to demonstrate the test. Do you understand? Okay, when I tell you to begin, you're going to raise the foot of your choice. The foot that you choose to raise. Are you watching me? The foot that you choose to raise, you're going to raise that foot approximately 6 inches from the ground. You're going to point your toe so it's parallel to the ground. Arms are going to be down to your side. Both legs are going to remain straight. You're going to look down at the foot that you have elevated and you're going to count in a matter of 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, so on until I tell you to stop. Do you understand those instructions? Do you have any questions? Remember, arms on your side. Both of your legs are going to be straight and you need to look down at the foot that you have raised.
It's so cold now.
It's a little bit chilly. It's a little bit chilly. Okay? I wish I had a jacket, but I don't. Okay? You understand my instructions? Yes? I'll tell you when to start.
Go one more time.
One more time. Feet together. Arms on your side. When I tell you to begin, you're going to raise the foot of your choice. Right or left, whichever one you want, okay? The foot that you choose to raise, you're going to raise that foot approximately 6 inches from the ground. Look, you're going to point your toe so it's parallel to the ground. Both legs are going to be straight. Arms on your side. While looking at the foot that you have elevated, you're going to count 1001, 1002, 1003, so on until I tell you to stop. Do you understand now? Do you have any questions? You need me to demonstrate it again? All right, you ready to start? Yes? You may begin. Go ahead and count for me, please.
1001, 1002.
Keep going.
1001, 1002. I don't understand.
Go ahead, keep going.
You told me to walk forward. I don't understand.
You don't know how to walk forward?
I do, but like.
This test did not require you to walk, okay?
You said to hold up my hand.
Yep.
You said to hold up my hand, and I did, and I did. What the fuck?
The officer administered all 3 NHTSA validated standardized field sobriety tests: horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk and turn, and one-leg stand. When properly administered, these tests carry validated accuracy rates between 65 and 77% per NHTSA's 2018 detection manual. New Mexico courts recognize HGN admissibility in State versus Torres, 1999. The subject started the walk and turn before instructed a validated NHTSA clue. She turned incorrectly during the pivot phase, a second validated clue. During the one-leg stand, she demonstrated balance difficulty and expressed confusion about instructions she had just confirmed understanding. Cognitive confusion during divided attention tasks is itself an indicator of impairment. Probable cause for DWI arrest was established through the totality of circumstances wrong, way driving inability to locate a license, credibility damaging inconsistencies, observed balance deficits on exit from the vehicle, and multiple validated SFST clues, all consistent with NMSA 1978, Section 66-8-102.
Send us a 46.
Oh, God. Yeah, I smelled it when I got it out of the car. Do you have anything in your pockets?
No.
Do you have a cell phone in the car that you want with you?
I mean, what am I gonna do with it now?
Well, you can have it with you as property, because right now you are being placed under arrest for DWI. Okay?
I mean, I have to call my parents by now. I don't have to have it for anything.
Have a seat for me. Hold on, let me turn on the light so you can see. Watch your head. Watch your feet. Can you go to the other side and buckle her from? Please.
I need to call my parents.
You'll be able to make a phone call, okay?
I'm only 20, please.
I know, you're an adult. I'm gonna go to the other side to talk to you so I'm not so close to traffic, okay? So give me a little bit. listen to me. I'm about to tell you something.
Please help me. My dad owns a honey business. It's here in town. It's called Anytime Honey. Please. Please don't arrest me.
Okay. I need you to listen to me, okay? Okay? I need you to listen to me just for a little bit. Listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You are under arrest for DWI. The New Mexico... Hold on. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act.
I just want to call my mom, please.
Okay.
Let me call my mom.
Let's get through this, and then I'll let you make a phone call. Okay? So I'm going to start over, because I want to make sure you understand. So I need you to listen to me. Can you do that for me? Listen to me, I'm about to tell you something important. You are under arrest for DWI. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or laboratory technician or technologist who is employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid by the law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test?
No.
No? I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license or non-resident operating privileges for 1 year.
I just need my lawyer.
If you are convicted in court,
I just want my lawyer.
if you are convicted in court of driving while under the influence, you may receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand?
I do.
Your right to speak to an attorney or remain silent does not apply to the requirement.
No, I need to speak to my lawyer. I need to speak to my dad and my lawyer, please.
Your right to speak to an attorney or remain silent does not apply to the requirement of New Mexico law that you take a breath test. Do you now agree to be tested?
No, I need to speak to my lawyer.
I consider your actions to be a refusal, and you are going to be charged with aggravated for refusing, okay?
No,
So you're going to be charged with aggravated DWI.
Please stop, please stop, please stop. I'm not, please stop, I'm not a bad person, please stop, please. What the fuck? Please just pull my hair out of my face, please, please.
Okay, when we get over there, I will.
I'm literally swallowing it. Please, 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 please.
I'm sorry, you're unreadable.
Please just pull it out of my face, please.
Yeah, I can't right now, okay? But I will.
Santa Fe, can you change this to a DWI, please? Or, I'm sorry, you already did.
So you're calling my family, right?
I'll let you make a
You're
phone call.
calling my dad and my family, right?
I'll let you make a phone call.
This is not fair. How are you not gonna let me make a phone call? I'm right by my house, literally right by my house.
7, good. 51158 and Rock ADC with a refusal jerk.
You literally ruined my life. I'm 22 and you literally ruined my life.
Well, now you're 22? I thought you were 20.
Following arrest, the officer delivered the New Mexico Implied Consent Act advisement as required by NMSA 1978 Section 66-8-111. This statute provides that any person operating a motor vehicle in New Mexico is deemed to have consented to chemical testing upon lawful DWI arrest. The advisement must be read verbatim. The transcript confirms it was. The subject refused the breath test and repeatedly invoked her right to counsel. That invocation is legally ineffective in this context. The Supreme Court held in South Dakota versus Neville 459, U.S. 553, that the Fifth Amendment does not protect against the consequence of refusing a chemical test. The right to counsel does not suspend the implied consent obligation under New Mexico law. Refusal triggered an aggravated DWI charge under NMSA 1978, Section 66-8-102. D, a statutory enhancement carrying mandatory ignition, interlock requirements, extended license revocation, and greater sentencing exposure than a standard DWI. In practical terms, refusal often produces a worse legal outcome than submission would have. The officer's use of force was limited to soft, empty hand control during handcuffing. Under Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386 force is judged by the objective reasonableness of a reasonable officer on the scene. Handcuffing an arrested DW, I suspect, is textbook proportionate force. No constitutional issue arises here. At the time of this analysis, the criminal case outcome remains unconfirmed. The subject faces two parallel proceedings, a criminal DWI case in New Mexico Magistrate or District Court, and an administrative license revocation through the Motor Vehicle Division. Both tracks are triggered independently by the arrest and the refusal. The grades. The subject receives a C. She did not physically resist that matters and earns partial credit. However, refusing the chemical test converted a standard DWI into an aggravated charge, dramatically increasing her sentencing exposure. Her inconsistent statements throughout the stop systematically undermined her credibility. Exercising a legal right without understanding its consequences is not a winning strategy. Lessons learned. Second, the right to an attorney is real, but it has limits. Miranda protections attach to custodial interrogation, not to chemical testing. Invoking counsel to delay a breath test is a well-known tactic that courts have uniformly rejected since Neville in 1983. Third, what you say at the roadside is admissible. Inconsistent statements about your route, your destination, and your age do not help you. They become exhibits. If uncertain, say less. The Fifth Amendment right to silence applies to roadside questioning. You are not required to explain yourself. Fourth, for officers, cold weather conditions and a subject's claimed medical history must be documented on camera before SFST administration. Failure to do so creates evidentiary vulnerabilities that are entirely avoidable. A brief verbal acknowledgement on record can close that door before the defense opens it. Let us know your thoughts on this case in the comments below. If you found this analysis useful, consider subscribing for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. Thank you for watching.